What's up, guys? I'm back again. For this video, it's gonna be on my meal prep for the week. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me what goes into my meal preps, where do I buy my food, all that. So today I'm gonna take you guys on a little trip to the grocery store. I'm gonna show you guys what I buy, all that stuff, all right? So stay tuned. All right, yo. So today we're at Walmart, guys.
Don't have it in this case.
And, oh fuck, let me adjust this. And I'm gonna show you basically what I buy, so let's get it. Alright guys, so when I buy the bananas, I look for some green ones. I typically buy enough that'll get me to Saturday. Alright, so let's see. And I always go for organic, because look, zoom in. Anything that starts with a 9 and it has 5 digits is organic. It doesn't have no pesticides, none of those chemicals on it. So that's what you guys want to go for. So let's see. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is perfect. I also get tilapia. It's about $3.88. I get 4 pounds of this. Each one is a pound. So I get 4 of those. Next, I cop 2 of these. 2 3-pounds. This 3 pounds. Jenny O 93% meat. $9.72. I cop 2 of those. And then I cop 2 of these. So it's gonna be like 8 pounds total. These right here, $3.28. Peaches and cream, fire. I get 2 of these, bro. 2 of those for the morning. Sorry, for at night, my bad. Alright guys, so this pretty much sums up my prep. I use this for the ground turkey. It's a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in it, and then I put the tilapia on here, and I also use seasoning for that. I got everything laid out. I also forgot to mention that I do use sweet bell peppers. These ones, I buy like 2 packs of these. You can also put rice in this stuff if you want, but I don't use rice. It's just all protein for me, so that's about it. And then this is the spices that I use to put on my tilapia, as well as the ground turkey. And then I cut up an onion, which I'm gonna get right now. I cut up an onion, and I'll also put that in with my bell peppers. So let's get to work. Alright, so I got extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna put a little bit in here, like a tiny bit. Here, come in, zoom in so you can see this. Come over here, I'm gonna set the oven to 425. Press start, let that heat up. In the meantime, I'm gonna take out the tilapia. While that heats up and I'm gonna lay out the tilapia on here, and I'm gonna season it, all that stuff with the 3 seasonings that I showed you guys. So here is, get some onion powder. You see this? I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit on it, like that. paprika. Mix this in with the ground turkey bread.
Smells good.
Get some of the onion. I get some of this garlic powder. Very, very nice. Alright, so start dumping all this in here. So like I said, guys, I don't put rice just because I just didn't want to buy rice this time. I didn't like how it was in the last prep that I put it in. It was just a lot of food, to be honest, all at once. So I'm just keeping it all proteins. The tilapia, the turkey breast, the ground turkey, and then the veggies. And then I also put this as well because this makes it super, super bomb. But that about wraps it up, guys. I mean, I'm still gonna finish the rest of the prep, as you can see here. Look, yeah, I got that cooking too. But I mean, this is gonna last me pretty much up until Friday. I eat 2 a day, so as you can see, I still got ways to go. But this takes me about an hour and a half to get everything done, and that's about it, guys. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you want me to do another meal prep video, I can. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, peace.